Hello beauties, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In this video, I'm going to unbox this latest Samsung phone. As you guys know, Samsung just released their newest phone about 2 to 3 weeks ago, and my hubby just pre-ordered his, and he just came back about 2 to 3 days ago. And he allowed me to show you, my friends, and show you guys how this phone looks. And yeah, thank you so much, my hubby, for that. So, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox this phone and show you guys how this phone looks. And this is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is their latest edition. So yeah, if you want to see how this phone looks, please keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tap on the bell icon as well. In that way, you get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. I grabbed my scissors and I'm going to open it. I'm going to cut through here. Okay.
You always want what you can have, and what you have, you can. But still, my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it.
Give this a round of applause. Yeah, that's Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is 5G edition. Wow. And yeah, as you can see here, Note 20 Ultra 5G. What? Oh my goodness, 5G. It also has 4G edition as well. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and open this to show you how the inside looks. So need to be careful, guys. This phone is expensive. Whoa, give round of applause. Wow. Yay. What? Wow, this is so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out. Wow, I need to place this. So guys, I'm going to keep this here. As you can see the back. Wow, it got 3 cameras. This is ekwe nche. I'm not going to on it. I'm just going to leave it for him to on it himself. But wow, this is so cool. Let me bring the camera close. As you can see, this is Mystic Bronze color, and I think you can also get it in Mystic Black. Yeah, this is amazing. Like, this is amazing. It's so amazing. And this one is retailed for £1,279. That's what he got it. And if you pre-order before the 20th, you get the earphone. Guys, the earphone is retailed for £179. I will try to put the picture up. I think he has to on it and send them a code, so from the code they can send him the earphone. So I will allow him to on it himself, and then I will show you guys maybe later how you can actually on this, then yeah, maybe in another video. So yeah, this is how this phone looks like. I am so excited for him. The Note edition also got S Pen. So let me try and see. I think you need to press here. It's so cute. It is 512 gigabytes, so a lot of memories. I will see if my hobby will allow me to use this phone just to film a video and show you guys how the clarity looks. I'm so excited. Like, I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, this phone is so amazing. I really like it, you know. So inside the box, as you can see, it got charger. So I think this is a fast charger, you know. So from what they wrote there, super fast charging, obviously. So let's see if there's any other thing. Inside it again, as you can see, this is yeah, the wire to connect with the charger. And what's this? Okay, this is the earphone it came with. But mind you, the earphone for this phone, like the wireless earphone, he needs to send the code and they will send him the wireless earphone when he sets up this phone. So this is if you pre-ordered earlier. If you pre-ordered before 20th, that's when you can only get this earphone I'm talking about. It's not this one. This is just the one, you know, the phones normally come with. It's not this one. As you can see from the picture, this earphone I'm talking about is retailed for £179, you know. So it's quite expensive for earphone, but that's, you know, that's their bonus if you pre-ordered earlier before 20th. So definitely I'm going to show you guys that earphone when it comes. I will make another video. To show you how that earphone, you know, looks. So yeah, this is the one this phone, you know, got. Wow, it's so cute as well. Okay, yeah, I really like the material in the cable. If you can see this, can you see what I mean? It's so cute. So yeah guys, this is everything it came with. Yeah, we've come to the end of this unboxing / review. As I told you, this is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and this is 512 gigabytes, and it's retailed for £1,279. Yeah, so I really like this phone. I can't wait for my hubby to on it. Let's see how it works. I will be showing you in another video. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like it, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
How do you know?